Watch this video and learn how to draw a blue dolphin. Wow!
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello, Artie. You're in a good mood.
Yeah,
I thought so.
Artie in a very good mood.
Artie, you know how you love dolphins?
Yeah,
Well, let's draw one.
okay. Artie make art.
Yay! This is gonna be fun. Oh, Mikey's gonna rap.
The kid's getting brighter, the kid's getting smarter. He knows the best tool is to use a marker.
Mikey. Okay, Artie, come on. Let's go and get all your art supplies, markers, and a piece of paper. Come on.
It's always fun to start with a blank canvas.
Well, Artie, you've got your blank canvas, a lovely piece of white paper. Are you ready to start? Okay, come on, calm down. Let's draw a dolphin.
Are you ready to make some art?
I sure am.
Let's begin. We'll start with a little hook-shaped line on the left side of the paper. That's going to be the dolphin's nose.
Okay.
Now let's draw another little hook shape underneath and make sure it connects to the bottom of the first hook shape. Now from the end of the second hook, we're going to draw a frown-shaped line.
I can feel the anticipation in the air.
I can smell it too.
Let's draw a big curve going up towards the top. That's going to be our dolphin's forehead. I'm not sure if dolphins actually have foreheads, Artie. Now from the end of the forehead, we'll draw his fin. This is called a dorsal fin.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Now let's draw our dolphin's back. A big curved line coming down the right side of the page.
This is a great day.
I'm having a blast.
Now it's time to draw the tail fin. This is called a fluke. It's a funny name for a tail. Now let's draw his side fins, kind of almost like arms. These ones are called pectoral fins.
Art brings me so much joy.
Me too.
Now let's draw a curved line down. That's going to be his tummy. And copy that line just above. That's it, Artie. Should we finish the tail fin?
Yeah. Oh. Quack.
You want a joke break? Okay, come on then.
Hey kids, it's another joke break. All right, here we go. Where did crayons go on vacation? Colorado. What is a cat's favorite color? Purple. Why did the crayon cry? It was feeling blue.
Oh, Mikey, your jokes aren't getting any better. Should we finish up the dolphin, Artie? Come on, let's finish this masterpiece. Let's draw a line from his mouth across to his fin. Now, how about some eyes? A nice little circle just above his nose, and then another one to the right. 2 little black dots in the middle. That's good. And another one on the right.
Look at him go, little artists.
He's so good at drawing.
Let's do another fin at the back, just poking out underneath his body. Do you remember what that fin is called, Artie? It's the pectoral fin.
Oh, yeah.
Now let's finish off with some nice wavy shaped curves, and they're for the waves of the ocean.
Oh, I want to quick, 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 quick.
You want a dance break now?
I'm going to say, it may amaze everybody, but 10.
That was an awesome dance break, Artie.
Right.
Well, now let's finish off the drawing. Let's complete the waves, and I think that's about it then.
Yeah.
That's looking pretty finished, Artie. Are you just making sure? Finished? I think it's colouring time.
It's coloring time.
Wow, Artie, he came out so good. I love the 2 shades of blue you used. The paler shade of blue underneath on his tummy and the darker blue on top. He looks so good. I have an idea, Artie. Should we go and see if we can find some YouTube videos about dolphins? Yeah, let's go and watch some dolphins.
Wow, what a great show. We'll see you next time. Goodbye, little artists.
Have an Artie day.
That's right. We hope all you little artists have an arty day. And thank you so much for watching the video. We'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.
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 Bye.